viewers, this is Asad from Noor Fashion. Today I will introduce the famous brand of Wrangler, the American brand. So I will show you how to identify original Wrangler denim pant. And I have a lot of product in my factory, and I have to separate all washes. See, here is the Wrangler denim pant. First of all, see the back pocket. Here is the W, this is the Wrangler, and here is the mini label, and here is leather patch, and the front side. Here is the rivet, and here is the Wrangler button, main button. The Wrangler is the main level. This is another Wrangler denim pant. You see the W, you see. I have a lot of wash, you see. Actually I have a 20,000 piece this product in my factory. If anyone need Wrangler original denim pant, please contact us. I will give you my all details and contract details in my video description. Okay, so see, this is the grinding style Wrangler. This is the new style. This is the pocket, and here is another style. I'll show you all Wrangler category. Okay, basically you'll see the back pocket, and also see the leather patch, and the level, the feet, and here is the rivet, and here is the main button. Here is another washes. See? The W, the mini level, leather patch, the main level. Here is another leather patch. You see, it's another style. This is another. This is another. This is another. Many type of leather patch. Is another Wrangler. See, here is the style. It's a very fashionable style in Wrangler. The grinding, the wash. Wrangler. Last, it's a level, it's the main button. So guys, anyone need Wrangler denim pant, please contact us. I have a lot of product. I have another denim pant to show you. This is the Wrangler, you see. This is the Lee, sorry, the Lee denim pant. A lot of product. The urban pipeline. I have a lot of denim pant in my factory. So if anyone need any branded American branded product, please contact us. Okay, keep watching my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.